So it's been quite a few years since that was changed. That's why we pulled it off, because his motor caught on fire for the most part. His water-cooled rectifier overheated, and I'll show you those parts in just a minute. So we said we're going to go ahead and drop the lower unit and make sure we got a good impeller so it cools, so then this doesn't happen again. And said we're going to change the fluids. As you can see, it's mostly got water in it. So there's a seal badge somewhere. This is the motor we pulled it off of. And as you can see, it was a pretty substantial event. So we didn't cut any corners. We actually went ahead and replaced the parts that needed to be replaced because it had just totally fried. And it could have been that they had the wrong battery in here, because they had a deep cycle battery in here that was 5 years old instead of a starting battery that's fairly new. That could have put a strain on the water-cooled rectifier. But this is mainly to document the battery, because it's sitting on all the lines that go to the front of the boat. It doesn't need to be there. When you break one of those lines, the boat sinks. So this is just where we are today. So we've started it and ran it, and everything seems to be good. The VST tank has a gasket on it that we're going to replace because it's leaking, and we'll keep on moving.